All right, we are live. I'm here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and today we're going to discuss something that happened early last week that was in the news in Los Angeles and throughout the state of California, and that a FedEx truck, a big rig truck, collided with a school tour bus, and actually it was deadly. There were 9 deaths that were reported, and many children were hurt, mostly school kids, high school kids that were traveling to visit a university in the northern part of the state. So David, as it pertains to this type of case, how does the process work? Obviously, a lot of investigation has to be done, a lot of homework has to be done. What happens in a case where there are multiple injuries and unfortunate multiple deaths?
Well, first of all, as a parent myself, my heart goes out to the parents who've lost their children and loved ones as a result of this accident. In most cases where we deal with wrongful death cases, the last thing a parent wants to do is bury a child or a loved one. It's expected for parents to pass away before their kids, but not their kids. So I'm very sympathetic to the situation. It's very sad. In this particular situation, as you indicated, there's going to be investigations because of the number of deaths that were involved in this case. The government agencies are all going to be involved. I've been keeping up with their stories as to whether there was a fire with regards to this truck beforehand, because there's some theory is that this truck was on fire even before it crossed over. And so there's a lot of theories going around. There's questions as to whether this truck driver had passed away even before it crossed over. There's questions with regards to skid marks. So all these questions that are going around eventually will be resolved, but an attorney in the case can go ahead and do the investigation that's necessary. I was talking to